If it is not important to you, it is important to God. Think about it. God became man, and how many years He spent on earth? 33 years. And of the 33 years that He stayed on earth, how many years He spent in the family? 30. He didn't leave the family until He became 30 years old. He saved the world only for 3 years because He died at 33, but He stayed in the family for 30 years because He began His public ministry at the age of 30, and for 3 years He began saving the world. But I think that is not precise. I don't think it is precise to say that He began saving the world at the age of 30. Being in the family, for Him, was part of the salvific acts of God in trying to draw humanity away from sin. He began the salvific act with the family. 30 years staying with Joseph and Mary. And so, my dear brothers and sisters, today, let us reflect on some tips how to keep our family sacred as the Holy Family was sacred. I'd like to use the word family as an acronym to be guided, and so that I will not preach very long, so you would know I am ending. Let's follow the syllabus, F-A-M-I-L-Y. The big letter F there is not the bad word that we know. It's for forgiveness. F stands for forgiveness. My dear brothers and sisters, the Holy Family was persecuted, but Joseph had no hatred in his heart. Mary had no hatred in his heart, even as she stood by the cross. She just had forgiveness in her heart, and I think they had that tremendous power of forgiveness in their hearts because in the first place, they practiced forgiveness in the family. The act of forgiveness to the enemies, even to the persecutors of Jesus, was an overflow of the forgiveness that they experienced in the family. Joseph, Mary, and Jesus experiencing forgiveness in the home. If there's no forgiveness in the family, you won't last. Why? You are made of imperfect. Family is made of imperfect people. There's no perfect husband. There's no perfect wife. In the first place, dagko na mong nagkita. Mag-away mga ng mga naigsuon nga nagdungan, nagtubo. Magdinumtanay mga ng mga igsuon nga gadungan na sila dinas pamilya for so many years, and they grow up getting used to their own weaknesses. How much more couples? Nag-uyab mo pila ra ka tuig. Karon di na uso ng panag-uyab. Usa ka semana lang wa na magminyo dayon. So, it's important that you have the attitude of forgiveness, and forgiveness is not possible without the grace of God. That's why it's very important that you always pray for the gift of forgiveness. And learn the language of the palautang. The palautang have the language of forgives. The purpose of forgives is to make it easy for the palautang to pay. Di ba forgives? Hulug-hulugan ba? And you have, sige, hulug-hulugi lang na, kaupat, forgives. So, the purpose of forgives is really to make it easy for the debtor to settle the debt. So if you have an enemy, or if you're in conflict with your spouse, give the proper environment. Make it easy for the spouse to come to terms with you. Don't make it very hard. Some people, somebody already asked for forgiveness. Pasaylo ako. Saylo lang. Naong ni mo, dukong ko ng baga ni mo ng pakita. Naapod kay naong ika. My God, no. It takes humility to come for forgiveness. Do not do that. Okay? Embrace him, welcome him, give him the chance. Probably the forgiveness, the patience, and the understanding that you give to him or to her, maybe the very understanding that you need from God. Because you too need forgiveness. Because you are not perfect. And among sinners, among co-imperfect persons, we cannot but have the attitude of patience and forgiveness, because we too need patience and forgiveness from the all-perfect God. Chapter 1 is over. That is about forgiveness. Letter A, accommodate Jesus and Mary to the family. You know why? Case in point, wedding at Cana. At the wedding at Cana, the newlyweds were into a big trouble because they ran out of wine. And in those days, when you ran out of wine, mura kag nahutdag kanon og nagpakumbira ka sa Cebu, uwaw, tugag kumbira, hutdag kanon. Mahutdan kag sudan, okay, pero mahutdan kag kanon ka uwaw ana. Igso ka di mo dukot na. Nya kana ra bang ubang bisita bagagnaw, makakitag dukot, ganahan mo kaon. Ganahan kay kog dukot, wa kasabot, wa kagets, wa nay kanon. Ay labi kay ka ganahan kay ko nang dukot. Undang na mo nay pasabot anang dukot, undang na pauli kay wa nay kanon. The couple, the newlyweds, were into big trouble, into big embarrassment. But before they realized that, because Mary was there, it was Mary who took the initiative of telling Jesus, "Dong, they have no more wine." So if you accommodate Mary and Jesus in the family, long before you realize and you feel there's a problem, Mama Mary will be there ahead of you, praying to God, please intercede for them. And when Jesus would say, "Adik ko, karon lang na mangayog tabang nako, ug hayahay di magampo, ug magkalisod magampo, di ko," then Mama Mary will be there with the power of intercession that Jesus cannot refuse, as it happened at Cana. So it is important in the family, make them part of your family. Letter A in the family stands for accommodation of Jesus and Mary. Make them part of the family. Next letter is letter M. Yeah, correct. Letter M stands for mission. What is the mission of the family? If you put up a family without mission, lutaw-lutaw lang mo, hangtod nga mabot panahon magbuwag jud mo, what may purpose sa inyong pamilya? What are you family for? Of course, to love one another. But if you are just there to love one another, sumul, di mo sumulan ninyong mga naong, magkita mo kada adlaw, magkailis yung naong pareha na mong naong, tanawa naman nagtiayon, murag pareha nagnaong madugay, lingi-lingi ragod mo, tutuki ig ulis balay. Pareha mong naong. Og parehag naong silingan, mas dako kag problema nganong napareha nagnaong sa silingan, di na pareha nagnaong. So sometimes you just have to define mission for the family so that you have a sense of purpose, a sense of apostolate, so that you will allow God to use your family as His hand that touches the poor, as His feet that walks to the needy, as His hand that touches those that need some kind of comfort and reconciliation. Allow your family to be used by God. In that way, your family will have a sense of mission. Letter M, mission. The next letter, I guess, is letter I, unless I am wrong in spelling. Letter I is a slogan, my favorite slogan, and this was the slogan of the apostle at Mount Tabor, where there was transfiguration, when Jesus' divinity shone over his humanity, and he was transfigured. And then one of the apostles said, "Wow, it is good for us to be here. Let us make 3 tents, one for you, one for Moses, and one for Elijah," because it was so beautiful that the apostle wanted to prolong the experience. My dear brothers and sisters, if each family would have it as slogan, "It is good for us to be here," how nice the family will be united. Why? Because if that is your slogan, every meeting in the family becomes a celebration. Every bonding of family becomes the greatest joy. Sometimes nowadays, it's the cell phone that gets in between. Nag-reunion tuod ta. nagdungan to tagpangaon pero iiyag duko dito cellphone. Iiyag text, dili mag-istorya. Sad. Technology is supposed to help us deepen our love for one another, but now many times technology is already the source of our discord and our disunity. So, dear brothers and sisters, I hope that being together in the family is still the source of joy for you. I hope that you look forward coming home from work. You know, sometimes, if the husband doesn't want to come home, probably there's also something wrong with the wife. Ang bana gud gikapoy gunas trabaho ganahan mo pahuway, kasi ganahan mo uli anag magsigyaw-yaw igabot. September pa lang nangita nas bonus. Hay nang bonus. Han ang 13-month pay. September pa ngita nag 13-month pay kalayo pa tong Disyembre. So basin sad og dili mo look forward ang husband og pauli kay saba sad di saga kapahuway nya magsigig duda. Naka chikinini diri. Laboy nauntog na dito nauntog si tagtrabaho dis pamilya nauntog ta pasanginlan pa ta nauntog ngano na lipstick ay akong gilipstickan para di mo hubag kay kanang lipstick ko na makawa man ko nas hubag ikaw gyud kabakakon bi ko nimo ay di lagi na mo lagom kay gilipstickan ko do namakak na sagka. So probably the wife does not trust you because many times agsige na sa kag pamakak so di na saga kasaligan. So there's really something with you also. May lang mo buwangon mong duha inyong mga But how I wish, my dear brothers and sisters, that you have to review your priorities and you have to realize that every coming home should be a kind of reunion, a reason to celebrate, just as the slogan says it is good for us to be here. And I think the next letter, if you agree with me, is letter L, right? Family. Libay, letter L. L stands for love. Love. Oh my God. Some people, they keep repeating love and they do not do anything. Sige lag pamulatik sa asawa, love you. Nya, sige sag pamabay. Wa man ka ilisi love, gipunan ra bang ka. Nya, love de na. Love de nang punan. Wa man ka ilisi, gipunan man ka. Ninuton managhan. But that is baloney. That's baloney. My exercise when I do my homilies is always to ask the congregation to repeat love 5 times. Maybe we can do that. Can we do that? Say love 5 times. Ready? Go. Can you do it louder so that the people watching us online and attending Mass online can hear? Do it louder. Repeat love 5 times. Go.
Love, 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 love.
Wait. There's something wrong with my ear. I'm hearing you say blah, blah, blah. Did you say that? I said love, but it sounds like blah, blah, blah. Can you say love? Please, not blah, blah, blah. Love. Ready? Go.
Love, 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 love.
Still, it sounds the same. Blah, 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 blah. That's what you get if you keep repeating love and you do not do it. Because only when you do it, you can be understood that you are saying love and not blah, blah, blah. Do it! Kamu ba, mga bana, igabot, wagi pasalubong sa asawa. May mga pasalubong, di naman tiguang na ta, wala tayo angay anak, mayroon man nag-uyab pa. No! Please! Little things would also matter. Daghang paan dito, na may tindahan good. Nakadaghan ditong mapalit na sa atbang. No! Lahi yun ang imong dala. Way budget. Ug wa kay budget, di man kinahanglang mahal. Kanang mga babay dali ra kay napalipayon. Dad-i og siumay, tagpila ra man siumay tisa. Tag 10, 20 na ron ter. 20 na, 15 na. Pila man siumay. Tag 10, bara. Anak mi palit sa imo 20 na baya sa silingan. Barato pang imo. Palitig siumay. Nigabot. Naraw nas diskarte, agion ras diskarte. Love nganong siumay man ina to siumay love for you. Alipay no no, lipay no no. Gidad ag siumay to siumay love for you. Pakapinig hupya. Ngano na may hupya? I hope ya like it. I hope ya like it. I hope ya like it. Adi hupya. Dako na nagkalipay na aranas diskarte. You do not need to be very expensive. It's really the care. It's really the thought nga imong gidadag something because love can die if you neglect it. You water it with many little things, many sweet things, and it will blossom. Finally, letter Y. end it with a yearly retreat. Yearly retreat. Mag-retreat po mo sa pamilya. Ay, retreat para na seminaryan, para na sa high school, i-retreat dilo para sa nas pamilya. The whole family. Karon lang I had visitors, my students. Very nice, no? Students in high school. I used to teach at the Sisters of Mary School in Talisay. I was teaching physics. I was not yet a priest. And wa pagid sila kalimot nako ni Duaw. The whole family here, they had their confession, they had their nindot kayong pamilya to end the year. Unya murag napang duha diri nang lakaw ng uban napas Orlani og si Jory. They come here in order to thank God and to make their confession. Nindot kay no? So end your family like that. Sige lang mo pangaon si banding, pangaon sad mo spiritually. Bring them to confession also. Nya ang papa gyud mag-unag pangumpisal as a good example to their children, no? Nindot kay amahan gyud mag-una, makaingon ang mga anak, wala-wala man dis papa, moram nanig ka ng amaw niya mangumpisal man pud di ay lakanindot sa kong papa, they begin proud of you. They will begin to be proud of you. Okay, my brothers and sisters, I promise not to preach long, and I finished my syllabus. Family. First, forgiveness. A, accommodate Jesus and Mary into the family. And M, have a sense of mission for the family so that God can use it as an instrument for the improvement of His kingdom here on earth. And letter I, make it your slogan, the slogan of the Mount Tabor. It is good for us to be here so that every encounter, the family members, every bonding becomes a great celebration. And then letter L, love, show it in your deeds. And final letter Y, end it with a yearly retreat. In this way, your family will be strong. I think to all of us, deep in the heart, the family is important. Only sometimes we tend to forget it because we get drowned and immersed in the humdrums, in the daily struggles of life. But that's why you need this aid, the family, in order to strengthen our family. And with God and Mary present in our families, we hope that it will mimic the holiness of the Holy Family. Happy Feast Day of the Holy Family. To one and all, I bless your families.